Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sun's a little bright. We are heading to Target. We're gonna check out their plant section because we haven't yet this spring. So we want to see the new stuff they have in. So join us. What?
It's disgusting in here.
We have two cars, a Neon and a Dodge Durango, and the Dodge Durango is our newer, bigger car, and the Neon is more like a putt-putt, and she hates driving in this car. Well, guess what? This is going to be yours one day.
No.
Monstera leaf. Is it heavy? Oh, it's marble.
Oh.
I love this little planter. So cute. The price though. Yikes. So pretty. How cute is this? So fancy. This would be cute, like to fill with water and put it on the fridge. It's magnetic. Use it as a propagation station. It's a cockatoo. I know. It's adorable. Springtime at Target. I'm sure my grandma had something like this. This old school pattern. Cute. These are cute, but that price, guys, I can't do it. But look how cute they are. Oh, I love these colors.
Oh, sweet.
Ooh. $50?
Nay.
That's cute.
I need to make money stand.
Those cacti are pretty realistic looking. This is cute. Look, it's a little chair. Plant stand. These are awesome. Look at these. I would put a plant on it. So pretty.
There's still water in this cup.
Adorable. Oh my god, don't let this be expensive. Don't let this be expensive. Don't let this be expensive. Ugh. This dude's only $3. Oh, he's cute. I might get 2 of them. Those are adorable.
Pepper shakers.
A cookie jar.
Who needs them for something?
Oh. I have to get this. This is so cute. Hang it from something. Oh my god, I love it. Yay! You're the best. Oh my gosh, the keys are in the trunk.
No, they're not.
You know, Chicago, it's like one day it's 35 and snowing and the next day it's 70 degrees.
Told you not to bring your coat.
We're leaving Target. We got some pretty cool stuff. Cute, right? They look better at night, obviously. Then I got 2 of these, which I brought one back and the magnet fell off the back. So it was like more upwards and it fell off the fridge and broke as soon as I brought it. So that was fun. But I plan on putting some Monstera Adansonii leaves in there. And there's the other one at our front door. And that's it, guys. Thanks so much for joining me on this video. Target's got some pretty cool stuff, but I just can't get over the pricing on some of it, you know? Some of those plant stands, they're really cute, but 60, 70 bucks. Can't do it. Maybe I'll wait until it all goes on clearance at the end of summer and then buy it in the beginning of fall for like half the price. Because we all know how it works, right? Gotta cheat the system a little bit. Thanks guys for joining me again on this tiny little video. Jazzy, Prime. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more all things planty. And I'll catch you in my next one. Bye guys. Say bye. Can you say bye, Jazzy? Say bye. Say bye.